We are going to a restaurant today for dinner.
Oh, Daniel, that's wonderful. Really? Let's go. I am so hungry. I want to eat everything.
Me too. I hope they have pizza.
I'm so excited.
Me too, sweetie. Ready to go, everyone?
Yes, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Good evening. Yes, we do. The name is Daniel. A table for 4 people, please. Let me check. Yes, here it is. A table for 4. Please follow me. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink first? Yes, please. I would like a glass of water.
I would like an orange juice, please. Can I have a cola, please? I want milk, please.
Of course. 1 water, 1 orange juice, 1 cola, and 1 milk. I will be right back.
Wow, so many choices. Dad, I cannot read all the words. What is this one?
That one is grilled chicken with rice. Do you like that?
Yes, but I also want French fries.
You can have both, sweetheart. It is a special night.
I found the pizza. I want a cheese pizza, please.
Good choice, Lucas. Emma, what do you want? It is your birthday.
Everything looks so good. I am not sure what to choose.
Why do you not ask the waiter? He can help you decide. Here are your drinks.
Excuse me. What do you recommend? What is your most popular dish?
That is a great question, madam. Our fish with vegetables is very popular. Many people love it. The beef steak is also excellent.
Mom, can I ask the waiter something too?
Of course, sweetheart. Go ahead.
Excuse me, are the French fries very big or very small?
They are a good size, young lady. Not too big and not too small. So, are you ready to order your food? Yes, I think we are ready. Go ahead, Mia. You can order first.
Can I have the grilled chicken with rice, please? And some French fries too.
Of course. Grilled chicken, rice, and French fries. And for you, young man?
I would like a cheese pizza, please.
A cheese pizza. Very good. And for you, madam?
I will have the fish with vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. And for you, sir? I would like the beef steak, please. How would you like your steak? Well done or medium? Medium, please. Excellent choice. Perfect. Let me read your order back to you. 1 grilled chicken with rice and French fries, 1 cheese pizza, 1 fish with vegetables, and 1 medium beef steak. Is that correct? Yes, that is correct. Thank you. Wonderful. Your food will be ready soon.
Mom, why do we go to restaurants sometimes?
Well, sometimes it is nice to eat food that other people cook for us, and it is fun to be together in a new place.
I like it here. The lights are pretty.
I am glad you like it, Mia. Tonight is all about being happy together.
It's wonderful, Daddy.
Yeah, the best.
Here is your food. Be careful, the plates are hot. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Wait, there's a problem with my plate.
Excuse me?
I think this is the wrong pizza. I asked for cheese, but this one has mushrooms.
Oh, I am very sorry about that. You are right. Let me take it back and bring you the correct one.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Good job, Lucas. You were very polite. That is the right way to fix a problem.
Thanks, Dad.
Here is your cheese pizza. Again, I am very sorry for the mistake.
That is okay. Thank you very much.
The food is wonderful.
It's delicious. So good. Yummy. Mom, where is the bathroom?
I am not sure. Let us ask the waiter. Excuse me.
Yes, madam, how can I help you?
Excuse me. Where is the restroom, please?
It's just down that hallway to the left, madam.
Come, Mia. I will go with you.
Excuse me. Could I have some more water, please?
Of course, sir. I will bring you more water right away. Was everything okay with your meal? Yes, everything was wonderful. Thank you. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
It is my birthday, so I think we can have a little dessert.
I want ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Can I have the chocolate cake, please?
Of course. 1 chocolate ice cream, 1 chocolate cake, and 1 more piece of cake with 2 spoons coming right up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my goodness, this is so wonderful. Thank you so much.
I called the restaurant before we came. I told them it was your birthday.
Daniel, you thought of everything. This is the best birthday. I cannot tell you, or it will not come true. But I think my wish already came true. I am here with my family, and I am very happy.
What did you wish for, Mom? Wow, this cake looks amazing.
It's so sweet and soft.
And the ice cream is cold and delicious.
I'm full and happy. Time to go home. Excuse me. Can we have the bill, please? Of course. Here is your bill. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. That is very kind of you. I hope you all have a wonderful evening.
Thank you for the lovely surprise and the birthday song. We will come back again. We're almost home.
And I have a surprise.
Yay, what is it? Let's see.